Today I discuss one theorem, that is Totient theorem. Totient theorem means when a number a power of t is divided by another number d, then the remainder is 1. And a power of t divided by d is equal to 1 now. Where a comma d are co-prime numbers. Co-prime means common factor. Two numbers common factor is only 1, or two numbers SCF is 1. The numbers are called co-primes. So where a comma d are co-primes and t is the quotient of d, where t is the quotient of d. Case 1, if d is prime number, quotient of d is equal to d minus 1. Case 2, if d is a composite number, d is equal a power of p comma b power of q comma c power of r and so on, where a comma b comma c are prime numbers. Then quotient of d is equal to 1 minus 1 by a comma 1 minus into 1 minus 1 by b and so on. ఒక సమ్ చూద్దాం దీనికి quotient theorem సంబంధించింది. Find the remainder when 2 power of 503 is divided by 101. 2 power of 503 divided by 101 అనేది ప్రాబ్లం. చదువుదాం. 2 power of 503 divided by 101. 2 power of 503 divided by 101. ఇక్కడ 2 comma 101. Two numbers are co-primes. Two numbers are primes. Two numbers are primes. So 101 quotient of d is equal to 101 minus 1 is equal to t. Quotient of d అంటే 101 is minus 1 is equal to 100 అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏముంది అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ 2 power of 100 2 power of 100 divided by 101 is equal to 1 అవుతుంది. కానీ here మనకు 2 power of 503 ఉంది. So 2 power of 100 whole power of 5 into 2 power of 3 divided by 101. So 2 power of 100 whole power of 5. So మనకి ఏంది 2 power of 100 అనేది ఎంత 2 power of 100 divided by 101 అనేది 1 కి ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి సో 2 power of 100 దగ్గర 101 దగ్గర 1 whole power of 5 is equal to 2 power of into 2 power of 3 101. So మనకు వచ్చేసి 2 power of 3 is nothing but 2 power of 3 is nothing but 8. So remainder is 8 వస్తుంది. మనకు రిమైండర్ అనేది ఎంత 8 అనేది ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తాం. ఓకే, థాంక్యూ.